Turning our attention now to the ASX, here's Matt Birney and Bulls and Bears with the latest public company views and interviews.
Welcome to Bulls and Bears, brought to you today by copper and gold explorer Flagship Minerals, ASX code FLG. I'm Matt Birney and I'm joined now by the Managing Director of Flagship Minerals, Paul Locke. Hi, Paul.
Yeah, g'day, Matt. How are you?
I'm good. Okay, so Flagship share price has run fivefold since September on its Isidora gold project in Chile. And with AI data centres chewing up the world's copper supplies like never before, Flagship has now added a complementary copper project in Canada that comes replete with a huge exploration target. The Whipsaw project is a big porphyry-style copper play in a serious mining postcode. And the first question is obvious. What's the potential size of the prize? Okay, Paul, we'll get to that in a minute. But firstly, just anchor the project for me. Where is it and what's the geological neighbourhood around it like?
Okay, Matt, it's in British Columbia, Canada, 160 kilometres east of Vancouver and just next to Hudbay's Copper Mountain. There's some big mining activity there.
Okay, so you've put an exploration target around Whipsaw, formal target. Hit me with the range. What are the tonnes, grades, and give me its broader mineral makeup.
Yeah. So, look, this is a copper porphyry. We've got 0.51 to 1.02 billion tonnes at 0.2 to 0.4 copper equivalent. It's in a mineralised zone of 3.7 kilometres by 1.2 kilometres, and the target goes down to around 450 metres. So there's a lot happening there, but keeping in mind our neighbour, their project goes down to around 650 metres at this point.
What other minerals have you got there?
Well, there's copper, but then there's some byproducts. So it's moly, it's a copper moly, and then we've got a bit of gold and silver.
All right, so that's a damn big exploration target. How robust is the work that's gone into it? How did it get pulled together?
Well, there's a lot of historical drilling there, so it's really robust, and then it's supported by a lot of geological mapping, soil geochemistry, and geophysical surveys. So it is a robust ET or exploration target. It's not based on us looking at a hill. It's really there.
Well, let's talk about historical drilling. What are some of the better drill hits that have popped up there?
Yeah, I'll give you our two best. We've got 194 metres at 0.3 copper equivalent from 4.4 metres, and then 283 metres at 0.28% copper equivalent from 70 metres. Our deepest drill hit is 359 metres, and then Hudbay's Copper Mountain next door, they're at 650 metres. So there's a lot of upside in this, a long strike and at depth.
Pivoting back to your Chilean Isidora gold project, just remind me of the gold resource at that project. And what's the plan here? Are you looking to jointly develop Whipsaw alongside Isidora?
Well, we see Isidora as our pathway to quick cash flow. So that's a gold porphyry. It's heap leachable. It's 2.1 million ounces at 0.56 grams a tonne. Where we are in the Maricunga, this is a low capex project, very low capex.
And you'll develop both jointly alongside each other, will you?
No, I think we'll spin out Whipsaw into a new co. That's the sort of project which will attract a big major as a co-financier.
Paul Locke from Flagship Minerals, thanks for joining me on Bulls and Bears. And remember, we're only here to give you information, not advice, which you should, of course, seek independently. I'm Matt Birney, and this is Bulls and Bears.
For more public company CEO interviews, go to the Money page on the 6PR, 2GB, 4BC and 3AW websites and click the Public Companies tab.